Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to delete Threads account without deleting Instagram in 2026. For that, what you can do is simply head over to the Threads app on your device, and you can do it directly through the Threads app. Once you open the Threads app on your device from your app drawer, what you can do is tap on the two lines at the top left of your screen. What you can do is simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the two lines at the top right of your screen. Once you're here, what you'll have to do is tap on Accounts Status. What you'll have to do is tap on Account Center, and then you'll have to tap on Manage Accounts. From here you can simply tap on Manage on the Threads. From here you can tap on Deactivation or Deletion, and then you can tap on Delete Account, hit Continue, select the reason that you want, hit Continue again, and then you'll have to select the reason that you're deleting your account, maybe enter your Instagram password, and then your Threads account will be deleted. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.